We're here at the hives this morning, and we're trying to relax them first. And we're going to add another hive today on top. So we're going to leave the smoker there so we can relax. This morning we are going to feed them. We're going to add a second story. Here is the story. These are where the bees make their yummy sweet honey. We don't need that one. We don't need that one. Let me smoke them a little more. They're still happy. They're still super happy. In a minute, we're going to put this on top. So now, we've smoked them a little bit, as you saw earlier, to relax them. So now, we are going to, Hugo, in a moment, if you'll hand me that to put on top. There for a second. And what I need to do is I need to move the house. Oh, I can't. This morning, if you can see the second story, we're putting the second story on top, and we're just going to square it up a little, and then we're going to slide give these a little space. A little space. Put the lid back on. Careful with the bees. They're still on there. Let's square that up and not smushing the bees. There you go. Cool. And then that's what you do with the beehives. Give them a second story as they make more honey for you. And Hugo will give me some sugar food for this group here. Stand here and I'll open it and you can just feed them. On this one, the food is here, so we're going to slide this one very carefully and Hugo can just pour the bee food and see the tray. That's where the food goes. And the whole thing, please. So that I don't have to feed them for a while. We'll just pour it all right there. Awesome. Cool. Very good. And if Hugo steps back, I'm going to show you what they look like. This one is only half full, so we're going to wait until the bees make more honey coming this direction. And then after the bees make more honey coming this direction, then we're going to take this off again, and then we're going to take their little food, and we're going to put it, and we're going to make another story, just like this. So, beekeeping. We are here at abzfarm.com.